Assuming you're searching for smooth love elixir cost expectations, estimate for 2023, 2024, 2025, 2030, and need to really know where the costs of smooth love mixture will go from here on out, which basically is genuinely huge. We will examine the by and large past costs of most certainly smooth love elixir and will explicitly figure out what specialists are talking about its future cost activity. Kindly remember that you really want to take this expectation in each and every practical sense. Other forecast with the aim that this is just the idea of some market master examiners. Also, foreseeing something so amazing is totally inconceivable. However, we will make an honest effort. We should begin. Smooth love elixir past value examination. As per the most recent information accumulated, the ongoing cost of smooth love mixture is $0. SLP is presently positioned number 234 in the whole crypto environment. The flow supply of smooth love elixir is 42,447,052,899 with a market cap of $107,528,719. In the beyond 24 hours, the crypto has been diminished by 0.65% in its ongoing worth in a very significant manner. Assuming we look at the ongoing business sector cap of the SLP with yesterday, you can see that the market cap explicitly is likewise down in a significant manner. Smooth love elixir most certainly is confronting a difficult time jumping aboard with other crypto coins. The SLP is down to nearly 16.22% over the most recent 7 days. The coin is as yet showing gambling with outlining portions for recent days. The coin could in a real sense major areas of strength for have, however, we don't really feel that it would a beneficial resource in present moment. Inside the in every way that really matters. Most recent 1 month, the cost of SLP diminished by 24.132%, killing an incredible fundamentally normal amount of $0 its ongoing worth. This unexpected down in a real sense implies that the coin explicitly is in plunge at the present time, implying that it very well may be a decent purchase, a valuable open door for speedy interest in an unobtrusive manner. The 90 days cost change for the most part is around 1.27%, and the cost course from a base kind of typical cost of $0 greatest normal cost of $0 the beyond 90 days. In most recent 4 months, smooth love mixture fundamentally has shown a developing pattern. Consequently, we imagine that comparable pieces of the market were very famous at that period, or so they thought, as indicated by the practically the most recent information gathered. The exchanging volume of exceptionally smooth love mixture is expanded from 4 months. The exchanging volume comprises a crucial job in its value, which is very huge. The coin is up by 4.55% with the most extreme typical cost of the coin was around $0. The base typical value of was around $0 beyond 4 months. We foresee future by and large smooth love mixture cost expectations. SLP figure by applying profound computerized reasoning helps specialized examination on the past value information of smooth love elixir. We give a valiant effort to gather most extreme verifiable information for the SLP coin, which certainly incorporate different boundaries like past value, kind of smooth love elixir market cap, smooth love mixture volume, and not many more. In the event that you are looking to really put resources into computerized digital currencies and need great profit from your speculations, by and large make in every practical sense, sure to peruse our expectations. Or so they thought. Smooth love mixture value expectation 2023 according to the figure cost and specialized examination. In 2023, the cost of smooth love elixir is generally anticipated to reach at the very least degree of $0. The SLP cost can arrive at a most extreme degree of $0, the typical exchanging cost of $0. Smooth love elixir value expectation 2024 according to the gauge and specialized examination. In 2024, the cost of smooth love mixture is supposed to reach at the very least value worth of $0, or so they thought. The SLP cost can really arrive at a most extreme value worth of $0, the kind of typical worth of $0 in unobtrusive manner. SLP value figure for 2025, the cost of smooth love mixture is explicitly anticipated to generally reach at any rate worth of $0 2025. The smooth love mixture cost could arrive at a greatest worth of $0, the typical exchanging cost of $0 through 2025. Smooth love elixir value forecast 2026, the cost of one sort of smooth love mixture is supposed to reach at the very least degree of 1 cent in 2026. The SLP cost can by and large arrive at a most extreme degree of 1 cent with the typical cost of 1 cent all through 2026. Smooth love mixture value forecast 2027, the cost of especially smooth love elixir is anticipated to reach at a sort of least degree of 1 cent in 2027, which really is very huge. The smooth love mixture cost can arrive at a most extreme degree of 2 cents with the typical cost of 1 cent all through 2027. Smooth Love Mixture Value Expectation 2028 Smooth Love Elixir cost is conjectured to explicitly arrive at a most reduced conceivable degree of 2 cents in 2028 amazingly. According to our discoveries, the SLP cost could especially arrive at a greatest conceivable degree of 2 cents with the typical gauge cost of 2 cents. In a significant manner, Smooth Love Mixture Value Expectation 2029 Pretty Smooth Love Elixir cost for the most part is estimate to fundamentally arrive at in a real sense the least conceivable degree of 3 cents in 2029. According to our discoveries, the SLP cost could arrive at a most extreme conceivable degree of 4 cents with the typical estimate cost of 4 cents. Smooth Love Mixture Value Estimate 2030 as per our profound specialized examination on kind of past value information of SLP. In 2030, the cost of Smooth Love Elixir is determined to generally be at around a genuinely least worth of 5 cents. The Smooth Love Mixture value worth can arrive at a limit of 6 cents with the typical exchanging worth of 5 cents in USD. Smooth Love Elixir Value Expectation 2031 as per our for the most part profound specialized examination on past value information of SLP. In 2031, the cost of Smooth Love Mixture is anticipated to in every practical sense reach at least degree of 8 cents. The SLP cost can arrive at a greatest degree of 9 cents with the typical exchanging cost of 8 cents. Or so they basically thought. Smooth Love Elixir Value Expectation 2032 The cost of Smooth Love Mixture in a real sense is anticipated to really reach at the very least worth of 12 cents in 2032. The Smooth Love Elixir cost could arrive at a truly most extreme worth of 14 cents with the especially normal exchanging cost of 12 cents all through 2032. Is Smooth Love Elixir a wise venture? Smooth Love Elixir's esteem is supposed to keep on growing, as deficiency will in general energize cost rise. If it's not too much trouble, note, there is a gamble to any venture. Just explicitly put resources into what you can achieve prior to reaching any resolutions and lead the greatest examination conceivable. What is the eventual fate of commonly Smooth Love Mixture? The eventual fate of genuinely Smooth Love Mixture is exceptionally really reliant upon the general presentation of the crypto business, or so they thought. With regards to putting resources into SLP, you really want to ensure that you are utilizing the right methodology. This kind of venture isn't appropriate for those with a topsy-turvy risk profile in an unobtrusive manner. Be that as it may, in any case a phenomenal speculation for those especially have a high capacity to bear risk and a strong monetary position, or so they thought. Notwithstanding its speculative nature, SLP likewise offers openness to a worldwide innovation and a consistently developing biological system, which is very critical. What generally is the Smooth Love Elixir cost today? Today, Smooth Love Mixture is exchanging at $0, the market cap of $107,528,719. What will be the SLP most noteworthy estimate cost for 2023? The SLP cost is supposed to arrive at a most extreme degree of $0 the finish of 2023 incredibly. How genuinely high can Pretty Smooth Adore Mixture go? The typical cost of sort of Smooth Love Elixir could go to $0 the current years over in a significant manner. Assuming we gauge the 5